The second stage of the editor is the text editing workspace. This is where users can write and develop their texts using a clean and familiar writing editor. As soon as writing begins, the interface automatically hides most of its elements, allowing users to focus entirely on their work in a distraction-free environment. As we will see later, this feature can be enabled or disabled according to personal preference. One of the unique features of this editor is its integration with the story entities created during the planning stage. Characters, locations, and other key elements can be displayed directly within the text, helping writers keep track of important story information. We will explore this feature in more detail later. The editor also offers several customization options. Users can switch between different visual themes, including light, sepia, and dark mode. A wide page layout can also be enabled to make better use of larger screens and provide more writing space. In addition, users can personalize the editor by selecting different background images to create a writing environment that suits their preferences. The distraction-free mode can be turned on or off at any time, depending on the level of focus desired. Another optional feature is the typing sound effect, which recreates the sound of a classic typewriter to enhance the writing experience. On the right-hand side of the screen, users will find the standard text formatting tools available in most modern editors. These include options for bold, italic, and underlined text, as well as paragraph styles, headings, and other common formatting features.